All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, that is smoke now. Just wanted to give y'all an update. The Subie is not in good condition. My little man's gonna rev it up so y'all can hear. I've always joked about it. I've always joked, but it has finally happened. And honestly, I'm not mad. This thing has gotten me everywhere. Just recently Texas. So let's go ahead and let the drummer sound start. Just sucks, man. I just changed the oil, put a full tank of gas in it, but we definitely got some knocking. Probably a spun bearing, most likely, or the 4-cylinder ringland failure. I'm not sure, but definitely time to put it down. Oh my gosh. We're gonna come back stronger, faster than ever before. I've got things in work already. I got things planned out. It's gonna be a while though. You know, these things are not cheap to modify, but definitely going for damn near double the horsepower that we had before. How you feel about that? It sucks, but honestly, when you own a Subaru, especially an STI, it's not really the fact if it's ever going to happen, it's really when it's going to happen. So I've been waiting for this moment. I never knew how it was going to happen. I didn't know if I was going to be out of town, and it literally happened right up the street. So pulled it right back home, heard that. So yeah, it is what it is, guys. Here we are. The Subie is down, and it's going to be down for a while. Like I said, got some plans going. Gonna hit up some companies, see want to work together and do some fun YouTube stuff, man. Might wrap the car now or something. It kind of sucks. It happens right in the beginning of the season, but it is what it is. Life works in mysterious ways. God works in mysterious ways, and I believe that. And I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. I don't want to hear no comments about head gaskets and blah blah blah. It's a Subaru. We know it's gonna happen. Right? What motors don't break when you put more boost to them? I mean, yeah, Hondas do it all the time. Evos do it all the time. I mean, what? I'm trying to dispose this myth that these engines are bad. We don't talk about Focus RS's motor popping all the time. We don't talk about like all these cars that have multiple problems. We just take the shame for it. You know what I mean? But I'm just gonna say, look, we're in the field of wanting more power. More power comes with more problems. Transmission problems, engine problems, differential problems. You know, that's what we do this for. Race, break, fix, repeat. You know what I'm saying? So I want to take y'all back though. 3 years ago, got this car, 21,000 miles. I've always said these motors pop around 70, 80,000 miles. I was waiting on it, right? But let's go back. Let's go back some. Got it in Cali. Drove it here to Indiana. Drove it to Florida once, Texas once, Chattanooga twice, Gatlinburg once, Pennsylvania twice, Wisconsin multiple times. This thing's been tracked. This thing's been in the mountains. This thing has been on the beach. Like, I don't want to hear anything about, oh, how unreliable. This thing has been nothing but good to me for the past 3 years. Besides the power steering pump going out, and that's a Subaru problem, I can't complain about this car one bit. This thing has been absolutely wonderful. I drive it every day damn near and take it to shows, take awards home too. Like at the end of the day, this thing has been absolutely amazing. Yeah, it's a Subaru. The motors blow, but you know what, I'm not gonna half-ass this build and do this and that. And you know, I'm not gonna be one of those guys that, oh, I've already had 3 motors. Nah, we gonna set it and forget it, bro. We gonna do this, go big or go home. I'm not trying to take this motor out again, ever, really. So you got to pay to play, and I don't care how long it's going to take. We gonna get there. So I just gotta set that straight. Just gotta set that straight. But anyways, I appreciate y'all more than ever. I want y'all to go ahead, follow the YouTube, Mackmotivates. It's not going to stop me from getting my car content regardless. You know, drift content's still going to happen. I'm just going to be rolling up in this thing, you know, or unless I get something else out of the grace of God, you know what I mean? So, but yeah, we ain't stopping just because this thing's down. We still going. 2023, baby. Let's get it.